Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today's video I'll be showing you how you can enable Instagram dark mode on your Instagram account. In order to enable a dark mode feature on Instagram, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. You'll need to update your application as well. If you haven't updated, then go to your Play Store and update the application. After that, log in into your Instagram account, and this is basically how it's gonna look like. So after you're logged into your account, in order to enable the dark mode, go to your profile icon, click on the try bar icon located in the upper right hand side corner, click on settings and privacy. As soon as you've done that, scroll down to the section of accessibility. Here you can see you have an option as dark mode. So in order to enable it, tap on it. Currently my dark mode feature is turned off, so click on turned on. As you can see that the dark mode feature has been enabled, and this is how simple it is to enable Instagram dark mode feature on your Instagram account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.